What's going on, guys? It's me, Alex or Rapid Madness, and I'm back again with the third part of my MGS2 Let's Play walkthrough. Just done the Ogre fight. If you don't know, characters in this game, enemy soldiers have dog tags. You can pick them up. Won't be doing that in this one, just because it takes too long. If you go this way, you have to do this. It's just like a little extra bit, but soldier comes out, and then you just put the hands up. Doesn't really matter. Right up here. Another cardboard box. This one's a wet box, so it's designed to outside use. Anyway, carrying on. The USP bullets. There's one on. Take this guard out. Could have made a run for it, but I didn't really want an alert, so right down here when he's not looking. Sometimes it's best to wait a little bit. Back down into. Yes, I've got bullets from a USP. So the camera wouldn't have seen him, but sometimes it does because he falls in front of it. Back down to here. This guy's run around.
Freeze.
If an enemy's got a trank in them and you roll into them, they instantly fall asleep. Haven't been here yet, so this is why I got a cutscene now. Very simple. This guy here. Go to sleep. There you go. Thank you. Don't need any ammo, but I'll go and look at the lockers quickly. It's quite funny. Box cam. Yeah. Alright. Okay, there's one. If I take this guard out. Second. Ah. If you're up against this one here, you're not going to someplace. If that guard's awake, then he goes on alert, and yeah, and then I'll come up, might do a video just based on that. But it's quite funny, but annoying at the same time. Obviously, if you don't want alerts, and then you knock on a poster in the right place, and then if you wait, where is it? If it's you get the little. A different noise if you hit somewhere else, and then you get the alert if you tap there. So these bullets. Nothing else in here as far as I remember. No. Okay. Yeah. Carrying on with the box. And then when you come from where I just came from, if you come there from the beginning, and there's two guards there, but if you do it how I did it, there's only one.
Raven.
Of course. Amazing fight, amazing boss from MGS1 Raven, but it's just a toy, I'm afraid. Not as cool as I've got a little surprise for you guys if you haven't played this game before. There's him there. Scared me when I was small. This game came out first when I was 4, so that scared the living shit out of me. Oh, come on. Doubled bucks, son.
Freeze.
That's full. I wonder if you can. Okay. These guards taken out. There's a ration down there, don't need it. So just run up here.
Freeze.
Oh. A bit weird. Get the camera out quickly. Show you another little poster. There's that one there. Props to that guy for putting that up there, I suppose. That's taking some effort. Oh god, am I going to make it? This guy catch? No, I would make it. You can take the guy out, but I don't. And I messed this up. So, right there now. Should I take him out? Nah. No need. We're up here. This guy comes through.
Repair of the entranceway to the engine room on the port side is complete. We'll return to position following patrol in the small room on the port side.
This guy, just let him have a little conversation. And then shoot him, otherwise they were like, oh, what's going on? And then they send people, and then it's just a pain. I can do this without getting the call from Otacon, which is annoying. Nope.
Snake, wait! Don't move! I see it. Some kind of device on both sides of the hall. Infrared sensors?
Right, and they're linked to...
Let me guess. Semtex.
Exactly. Plastic explosives.
So this is what they were talking about.
Looks like it. If you trip the sensors...
I'll be sleeping with the fishes, along with this entire ship.
That sounds about right.
I'm not in the mood to go sleep with the fishes, but there are too many sensors. Looks like I'll have to find another way.
No need to worry. There's a way through. Take a close look. Do you see the thing with blinking green lights right next to the explosives?
You sure?
That's the control unit for the sensors. Destroy that, and the sensors stop functioning. You can't get in close enough to touch it, so you'll have to shoot it out. But the M9's knockout rounds won't work. The USP you picked up should do the trick. Use that gun.
Anyway, yeah, that's just a basically tutorial. Yeah. For this, because yeah, if you've not played the game before, and if you want to make sure to choose a flower. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it here for now. So I'll see you next time.